great enthusiasm and a profound sense of unity that I welcome you all to this momentous occasion, the ASEAN Month 2025 celebration, kicking off here at Notre Dame of the Liangas University. Today, we gather to honor the spirit of ASEAN cooperation, solidarity, and shared commitment towards a sustainable and inclusive future. Let us seize this opportunity to learn, collaborate, and reaffirm our dedication to the ideals that unite us together. Through education and cooperation with one another, we can turn our aspirations into tangible progress to present and future generations. Life on land is very, very important. Why? Not only about us, it's the environment that we need to consider. Remember, as I made mention, we experience certain calamities, natural calamities, and this can be controlled only by human being as protector of our Mother Earth. At the end of the day, at the end of the programs and projects activities toward achieving a healthy and ecological environment, we can proudly say that I am part of it. To the ASEAN Celebration 2025, mabuhay ang ASEAN, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Commission on Higher Education, mabuhay tayong lahat na HEIs in Sarangani and Jensen area, mabuhay po kayong lahat, teachers and students who are here, sama-sama tayo sa pag-unlad.